Hello, welcome back. Today let's solve Leetcode 2331. Evaluate Boolean binary tree. Given the roots of a full binary tree with the following properties, the leaf node have either the value 0 or 1, where 0 represents false and 1 represents true. Okay, and non-leaf nodes have either value 2 or 3, where 2 represents the boolean or and 3 represent the boolean and. Okay, so the evaluation of a node is as follows. If the node is the leaf node, the evaluation is the value of the node. Okay, so it can be either true or false. Otherwise, evaluate the nodes, choose children, and apply the boolean operation of its value. Okay. Okay, so I think the problem is very straightforward. So for example, if we have this tree, okay, so we will need to evaluate two leaf nodes together, and then for example we have false and true, so we have false, right? And then true or false, we have true, so we should return true for this case. Okay. Okay, so for this problem, I think not only this problem, most of the problem related to the binary tree or binary search tree, we usually apply very same technique called recursion, because we usually do exactly the same thing that we do for the left node or the right node. Okay, so that's why I say that we usually use recursion to solve some problems about binary tree or binary search tree. Okay, so for this problem we can apply recursion to solve it, right? And then with uh, for recursion we need to determine the stop condition, right? So the stop condition is um, the stop condition is uh, when it is leaf node, so we can either return true or false depend on their value is 0 or 1, right? And uh, if the node value is 2, so we will evaluate the left, so we will get the left node and end with the right node. Okay, so if the node value is 3, so we will apply the OR operator. Okay, so I think it's very straightforward. I think we can dive into the implementation. Okay, so for suppose we will need to check for an edge case, which is if root is no, so we can simply return false, right? Okay, so we will check if root dot left is no and root dot right is no. So what we do? Okay, so we will check if root dot value is equal to, okay, so I think we can okay, so if root dot value is equal to 0, it means in this case we will return false, and if it is 1 we will return true, right? So I think we can return root dot value is equal to 1. Okay, and if root dot value equals to 2, we will call a recursive return evaluate 3 root dot left. If it is 2, right, it is 2, it means the boolean or, so we will or evaluate 3 root dot right. And if root dot value is 3, we will return evaluate 3 root dot left and evaluate 3 root root dot right. Okay, so and we can return false for other case which will never happen because of these constraints. The not value is always less than or equal to 3 and greater than or equals to 0. Okay, that's okay. Let's run. Okay, accept and submit. Okay, accept.